Many patients asked me the same question recently. Is antidepressant better than painkiller for chronic pain? Doctors usually prescribe painkillers for chronic pain patient. Long-term use painkillers always cause a lot of side effects.
These 20 side effects are often happened in the clinical treatment. It include fatigue, dizziness, stomach upset, sweating, dry mouth, sleeplessness, irritability, depression, anxiousness, muscle spasms, confusion, etc. A very good news from NICE recently. NHS recommended to use acupuncture and antidepressant to replace painkillers to treat chronic pain. What is NICE? In the UK, the NICE means the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence. It makes and publishes the clinical guidelines for the NHS of England and Wales. NICE provided a 200 pages documents to support the evidence of acupuncture relieve pain. How about antidepressants? Is it better than painkillers? Unfortunately, the answer is negative. This picture shows the top 10 adverse reactions of antidepressants. It includes headache, nausea, dizziness, sleeping problems, anxiety, drug interactive, depression, drug withdrawal syndrome, drug exposure during pregnancy, and even suicidal ideation. How to avoid these side effects? Xiaoyaosang is a classic formula of traditional Chinese medicine. It has been used for over 900 years in China. Try this green antidepressant. The 8 ingredients of Xiaoyaosang all are natural herbs. It can release depression without causing any side effect. The research from my ex-colleagues showed Xiaoyaosang can improve depressive behavior by triggering autophagosin formation to alleviate neuronal apoptosis. The pharmacological effect and molecular mechanism of this herbal antidepressant had been investigated. For the treatment of chronic pain, painkillers are not recommended anymore. The acupuncture plus antidepressant is the nice choice. But maybe the acupuncture plus herbal medicine is a wise choice. Because green means life. Find more videos and articles at ChineseMedicineSalon.blogspot.co.uk, produced by T. Jun Tang.